Why me? Why me? Now I just have 2 days to live. All the drugs, all the money, everything is just in vain. I don't even, tears can't even come out from my eyes. I've been on this since when I was a child. I came to this world with sickness, hoping miracle, hoping miracle like, okay, I'll be okay. But no, instead it gets worse day by day. God, even I would just come into this life to suffer. Why did I come? Why did you bring me to this world to suffer and die?